Hello, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you my big, enormous 72 key super mega digital piano that I got for 25 bucks at a thrift store that goes for $329.99 on Amazon and makes me feel like a super dude. Anyway, I got another one from Zen Pop. This is Kyoto Udon. 3 minutes, 300 mils of water. Let's get to it. Then I'll go back to playing the theme from Mega Man on my wonderful piano. So let's put the water in there. And we're gonna put that there. We're gonna put that right there. We're gonna push this down a little bit. I am really like, I have an open mind about these noodles. I have an open mind about these noodles. I'm just not so sure. Not so sure. But this thing is neat, man. 25 bucks. Carrying it down the street, I felt like I had like an assault rifle. It's like crazy. I'm not a very good piano player. Yeah, Mega Man. God, I hated that game. That game, like... 3 minutes. My dad bought a clavichord, which is much like a harpsichord, and he had this little thing, and it totally sounded like... But it's like, ooh, it's kind of like that Star Trek episode, The Squire of Gothos, where he's all like, ah, the one where he's all, are you challenging me to a duel? That one, yeah. But all it has is sounds. You might not know that one. That one's from Final Fantasy VI. That's Kid Icarus, but I'm not good at that one. But yeah. Hmm. I'm trying. Here, we'll just let that do it. It's kind of difficult. I'm no good at. It's fun. I'm just having the fun. Don't give me any. I'll give myself all the ribbon about it. I'm ribbing myself. Ribbon. Okay, so here is our Kyoto Udon. It mentions that it's got fancy kelp in it, which for me isn't a selling point, and the dashi is supposed to be made from like some kind of like magical fish. So I'm not entirely. I have an open mind. My mind is open. But it's got, oh, and it has 10% more noodles. What a wonder. I do like the noodle. Broth is better than I expected. We got lots and lots for these little bits. Yeah, lots of fried tofu. It's all right. It's not like something I would get on purpose. It's like I couldn't imagine anybody's like, yeah, I need to go out and get some of that. And it's got too many noodles in it. I mean, look at that. It's just like too much. At least for, you know, if you're just gonna be like, you know, like a normal person and just eating it. That should work out good, but if you're like a weirdo like me and you want to take pictures of it in not a cup, you kind of like ass out. I will admit my situation here is definitely not the standard consumer's situation. Come on, get in the freaking cup there. 14th review of the week. Come on. Be nice if people could see the broth a little bit. Oh, I guess that just isn't meant to be. It's too many noodles. Too much. No egg for you. There's some onion. You, Mimi. Shichimi. Like this one, this is one of those ones that's like, all right, fine. That is that. That's not getting any love and affection from me. It's okay. I mean, there's really nothing wrong with it, but it's just like incredibly boring and not my thing. So let's let Rotato do something about it. 73, I think? Yeah. This one. This is Daikoku Kinamochi. The Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.